Hello machinists, I'm Shogo Nakamura from Nakamura-Tome. So, do you have such experience? When you came to the factory in the morning, you found the machine stopped. The reason of machine stop is cutting chips. This is one of the most shocking moments in the factory, isn't it? So today, I will introduce you our new and unique technology to solve this problem. So, I invited one skillful engineer. So, Hiroki Shiyama. Hi, how are you? Good?
Yeah, good.
Okay. So please introduce yourself.
Hello machinists, I'm Hiroki Shiyama. I'm very happy to have opportunity to explain new technology today.
You participated the team develop a new technology. What is a new technology?
The name of the feature is triangle cut. What kind of feature do you think it is?
So, triangle cut, a unique name. So I think the cutting path is like triangle?
Shogo, seeing is believing. Let's actually see it. Start machining.
This is a machining method to break up chips by machining while moving in such a way as to draw a small triangle.
How is cutting chips?
Here are the chips. This is a normal turning method and this is a triangle cutting method. You can clearly see that the chips have been divided well.
Is this a stainless steel for finishing process?
Yes.
Okay. So it broke up into small pieces completely. So this is a good result, I think. I never hear such a unique name, triangle cut. So Nakamura-Tome developed this technology by yourself?
Yes, that's correct. It is our latest machining technology, developed after many experiments. We have already applied for a patent.
Now, we propose oscillation cutting for customers, and customers very satisfied by that. And what is the difference of these technologies?
Oscillation cutting and low-frequency vibration cutting involve minute oscillations of the cutting edge. Since the motion is very fast, there is a risk of damage the slide, especially in slide-guided machines such as a box-way slide. Repeated experiments allowed us to clearly distinguish between machines that can be mounted and those that cannot. We developed triangle cut to be installable on any model and to cut chips with minimal damage to the machine.
Oh, the triangle cut is very kind for machines and operators. What is the future of this technology?
Actually, the main feature is that it is easy to maintain the surface roughness at the same level as that of normal turning. One of the problems with oscillation cutting was the deterioration of surface roughness. With triangle cut, it can be kept at the same or twice the level of normal turning, which opens up a lot of possibilities for finishing. Here is the actual surface of the workpiece.
So, look at the surface. It's really beautiful surface of workpiece. So, oscillation cutting require NC option to apply it. How is triangle cut?
The triangle cutting method introduced here does not use dedicated option, but is a chip breaking processing method that can be handled only by the cutting edge motion. There are no restrictions on the NC that can be installed, and it can be used by many customers.
Oh, that's easy to apply it for many machines. Now I really want to use it. How do we use?
A macro program has been set up to perform a certain operation. So all you have to do is set the necessary conditions such as the finishing allowance, clearance, feed speed, etc.
If the macro built in, easy to set it.
Yes, we wanted to make it as easy as possible. We have already tested various patterns on trial machine, and in terms of finishing, it can almost completely break up the chips. Please also see here for different materials. Here's the swap.
So the triangle cut can deal with many types of material. It's great information. Do you have something we need to take care? How about the cycle time?
Depending on the conditions or settings, triangle cut is about 3 times longer than the machine time for normal finishing. But if the chips are not broken up, the automatic operation itself may stop due to chips at night or on holidays. That is why we receive many requests from customers who want to use the system as long as it can separate chips even if the machining time is extended.
Okay, we need to take care about the time. But the most important thing is to reduce the downtime
Yes.
by the cutting chips. Okay, now I want to mount this technology to our machine as soon as possible. When we can mount this technology on machine?
Yes, this function will be available from July.
Oh, from July. I cannot wait it. So I'm thinking that many of our customers want to use this technology. So Nakamura-Tome will continue to develop these kind of technology that is really helpful for your factory. So we want to cut the material and we want to cut the body of manufacturing all over the world. Okay everyone, this is triangle cut. So I hope you enjoy this cutting edge technology, triangle cut, in your factory. If you like this video, please subscribe and press high rating. So, see you machinists! Bye!
Bye.